Right, we've checked in. Check out these dome tents. They look really, really nice. And then these ones over here, I think these are the deluxe ones, I'm not sure, but they have like a lovely balcony. And just gonna head down to our home for the night. Nice bar, great vibe already around the place. And a little splash pad for the kids over there. Again, there's a full itinerary of activities for kids and for adults, like for the whole day and then for the next morning, which is nice. So these are our tents. We're just down here, and that's the pool. Quick little look at the pool. We'll go there later, and you have the beach then. So the pool looks really nice. And then I'll just show you our tent for the night. We're just down here. We're with actually all our friends. We're kind of like all beside each other, which is great. Down here, really nice, gorgeous setting again, the beach. And this is our tent. I'll give you a quick room tour. Okay, I'm gonna go inside. The kids have just gone down to the pool. So this is the family tent, and it's actually really, really spacious. There's a big like double bed mattress there, and then two kind of single mattresses for the kids. You have your little amenities, some water, some slippers, a few little toiletries, toothbrushes, etc. And yeah, really cute. Kind of all you need, and just like lots of room really, and spacious, so really exciting. So I've just come down here for a quick look, and I think this is obviously where dinner is tonight. It's like a barbecue, and then breakfast in the morning, and then over here you can see, I'll just zoom in a bit, is an outdoor cinema. So there's a movie for kids on later, and then a movie for adults after that. So that should be really, really fun. And of course it's all on the beach. So there's loads of beach activities over there. And yeah, pretty cool. I think the kids are just going to absolutely love this.